last 2 years and ye baba ye people's forum e wo krom ha ye gina hospital ho and a nipa da sani owu ye e wo taxi
Ante. Ah, Allah.
Oh, na omu me son mu no mo fa no kwe.
Ante bani na zo we ante. Ante we.
Ante na gawa yo, ante we na ya we, ante ni babi anya me ya. Ante kasa me wo.
na menyamre mensham spesi mo amoshare o Facebook page for some time now. I am adwin say the radio adwuma ayeye no, it's for the people. Utie the manfo ne pe ene ne yetie for e kan wasem edwe ho. We are there to educate, inform and entertain. Nti ane hia pa say ye ba betra kasa ne yanka ne e ka wakoma. We've wasted the airtime. And together with the entire production team, Akohene, Sir John, Benjamin Edu, Bibini, the nation's fighter, and then everybody. One focus, I sorry, I don't pay at least you bet me meet somebody's demands. Now, somewhere free Sabrea could see no do. Come on, ebedi nyina na be relevant. So be ban faso. Ede amawa utie. And radio is there as the voice of the voiceless. Ona woni ano sabe nye se yete an yenim nyansa chen obi a otifia otie. There are well intelligent people, brilliant by all standard. And I anemo edin komo. Enti yansu ya sade ne se ye ba ye be kan nsemo a ebeboa na wotifie na nka wo na wunya akwanya we a obeba beka ede ama. Na esuewi a esomfa so na magana atimi atumpon asanteman atumi atumpon yenti ase ye ba ni ababa be hoho obi amanyoku obi enti obi be kan na Kofi Asante da bia wo de ade enye ne nko na wo ka
87.9
na abai no ade papa waye no enu ntini e ma akwanya e ma amanyofo wo mo ana musini se mo de ade na abai na ye no mo meka bi nkyere temamufo. Anope, I want to lay the premises of my discussion. Enti me sorry anopa nem dware betrenfia ha. Na makra me yire ne me ma. Me yire akosua. Akosua happy birthday. And Valentine's Day. My roommate Obapa happy birthday wate. Na me sure no nyo kese anope kram sorry me ntimi anka nkyerɛw. But I know say you are enjoying the birthday. Happy birthday, sweetheart.
87.9.
Yan sorry mama tra. Na yan kama me bubu aben bi abaso say na nanado ba ya die the digitization ni sorry akọ from an opatena 6 akoko si 10 nanado mo adwuma wabo ene ba ye ya die you be me say I am a fool. But na die na Kofi Asante tie onye serious. Oh, so say Kofi cry man is scared. Why? Because o person would say the abine can so ba obey no the entia wo say lie ekokoto aba no at least the government is doing it.
Akuma FM 87.9.
And when trust abine ye bibia ye ba ye nka o ye beka but botae ni ha say ye ba be bo abine bia aba so no. We hold government responsible. Said the abaya wutifia. Wunsuo wakwan ye betwe aban na dwen agina so say be me nei uba no wo ka kire yen say obeye wei aban adwuma wo ye nyina ne so sori anopa na na do dan kwa akofo ado otuwe light bill won tua bi minister say yi wo mo obi anu otua yen ye talk fuel egu omo kam ye bo omo akohoma ye yo bibia nti na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo and the ministers, the vice president, ye say enye adwuma Ghana mamrem president enye adwuma wadwuma we nyansa wo sori anopa trase da dwen oman no think about the country kwaya oman no be fa so a ebesi atumpon enti na tade obehye yo wo bi odress no yo wo bi a in fact chese adware akra ye nyobi anko bedware no. And not only Nanado, every president awabo my Ghana mukobia sani ya omen adia omampani bintimi nyan wo Ghana han say all catcher oba say obai madana obema. Apart from that, the constitution you see the president of the republic has the power to do absolutely everything our Ghana ha. Nanado dan kwa Akufo-Addo bet masori anopa no akache parliament say menya intelligence Asante region as will be ada so parliament approve obi abeda he issues executive order parliament approves it and one no aban no so majority obi abetimi ada enti se e ka bibi se ne ye aban bi ba na ye hold the responsible e ma obi nya na adwen say ene ye te ano ene ye de da bia no we are naysayers and we are talking negative aban there be Ghana for inti na aban no the communication ministry or information ministry kojo upon kurman ye tua ne ka nyina ne say the aban na ye no omna meka nkire no government pays me Kofi Asante say memra na mmebo aban abaso ne ye waye inti dani da nyina ne onye ye no ye betwe na adwen agina so na atiefo a wotifie wanya mfaso afiri mi Kofi Asante so enemy team. That is what we do on Akoma 87.9 FM. And no, and way back 2016, when John Dramani Mahama was in power, no one did the green book about my former stations, Kofi Asante me team, you found the book, near call, what's why you A, what's why you B, what's why you C, near late to bear, near your follow up, no be a who. Kofi Asante has not changed. It will continue to be on Akoma 87.9 FM. Nobody should expect to see about singing praise to any government. Ye nyanda aje mama yesa. Ghana ni utie manopay. How many of us? Any sorry ya. Ye dwet me aka say oh oman no. Ntoto ya wodo ode agu akwa mama ye no. Ye ni je eboa ye. Ghana ni bi Ghana ni du a. Emu nkru bu afu. Obi abu afu en wonam and the no day and ye beka say ene de aban bi ni ntutu agu apam Ghana for esresre pressure e do man no so because ye twasa aban bi ye no onye and ye da so ate to so the basic social amenities for every Ghanaian and as every citizen of every state Kanea ensure and access to health facilities, education. Sani man kitenkiti we entinka Ghana ni biaba Australia the average Ghanaian untimintu ya ne school fees. Abayane say o me free education amamo fantastic. Who how would do there? I mean there are issues it's in the public space. Apomuden entinko obi area eni kwan say ye travel no miles no kwaje apomuden on hihye ene Ghana ni timi yare odi traffic mu anu owu no dem. And these are the things that are going on in this country. And no dan China there were various health facilities ahodoa yes see e my Ghana mu project ahodoa na nado dan kwa Akufo-Addo bae wa baba start this project baby the same article 34 oto in one of the clauses was say ya baby asade asa wo ba ade ababi aye no ono nso etwa so baba to aso nti so mampani de Akufo and wo bae no baba start adwuma bi a aban foforo ba ono nso ba no baba to aso ni yekoyanim aban foforo ba no no nso baba to aso aban foforo ba na ɔno nso aba abɛtoa so aban foforɔ ba na ɔno nso aba abɛtoa so saa na nkɔman Ghana etumpɔn na nkɔman Ghana ɛkɔ n'anim but ɔman wei deɛ because of politics ɛne sɛ yɛnyɛ ne yɛmmɔ bi din ɛma nkamfo pipe ano nsɛmbɔ nti no aban bi ani hɔ a wɔba a deɛ yɔnko ayɛ ɛboɔ ɛmoa na ɔno nso aba na ɔba abɛstart ne deɛ ɛna no pɛ yi me ne wo kɔ Tafo maternity block me da wanra na madam bi frɛ me sɛ wakɔ Tafo maternity block na okodu hɔ no enipa dasani a ɛdeda fam na bed common bed na ne yire ɛkɔ akɔ wodu hɔ no yenya baabi ma ne ngunti yare fɛ no a wa move a wo bɛgyi na ɔno ahwɛ nneɛma wodoɔ ne state ɛwɔ hɔ a ɔbɔ n'ani na ne yere aho watena broche for about 5 years na ɔba na ne yere wuwie a ɔne ne nyinaa return and this is where we have asɔman Ghana ɔman wei nkwa no ɔman a nyame dom na wonya 60 years and above awurade na ayɛ adom yɛn hyehyɛ yɛkum yɛn ɛwɔ ɔman mu premature death. People are dying not because they do fears or move, but because of bad systems. People are just dying. In 2003, now take me to Tafo maternity block. In 2003, and through the late Akoto Osei, the then Minister of Finance, na yi wanya ne ba bi kɔ ɔmampani de da kofo ba aban mu 2 years and was started say wo hwɛ konfanoche a that time kra no onya ayi konfanoche kofo emergency eti that enclave ni nyina no ye ni bibi pa bia so obi yare wɔ hɔ a obewu kwa intimen start na minsi hospital Ghana for monhwɛ tobu ase na hwɛ hospital a this is almost 500 bed capacity Tafo maternity block. Na sabi omai se nye beye anabra obi nkankyere me de ntia wo sori anopa you must be happy in this country as Oman Ghana. 203 ya sada kutwa ya nyamre hospital no wow bra 1 minute per Facebook page and no pay ya verse there ya maame no o ma Tafo mo amowo ayi pankrono mo amowo ayi bokrom mo amowo area ho nyina Westco and in Portamu come and watch this one you have no peace. Ghana ni
87.9 Kumasi
ya bodan so awie ya di louvers agu ho aye pipes edan na esi a start a eso nyina apa no Tafo government maternity block eso apa edan na etutu no edan wey ye bebu agu. I make this declaration today say entimi miti integrity test 21 years today 203 and then 2024 how many years 21 years me boy
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi
oh Ghana ya ceiling dana wio ya roofing ya ceiling everything and that way louvers egu ho tiles egu ho glasses egu ho virtually ya wiring everything egu ho ya can say in fact clinicals machines are ever fixing what them nyina nso gu ho Ghana ni na day day somebody should tell me why eye beye abro anase eye nome abusafo Kofi Asante eboa Hausa yato aye de beto Tafo maternity blog eni guwe. Take time and watch it on Facebook page. Tobuase, sheni, where your maternity blog so tax na ye de to no. Entire blog tax ni nyina gu. Oh, 21 years. 21 years. 203, 204, 205, 206, 207, 208, 209, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024. What a pity. And I pay her towels, louvers, everything. The question is, why? Again, we are Ghana near, you must be worried. I tell you, you said that could get the drone here and think obi go back here. One shano say you didn't plan to stretch so near road hospital inside you near road na near the other be read this blog. Oh Jesus Christ. Hey, when you woman who say me Ghana ni when you woman ho na no pay me di yaw abanya bako abanya baba. Oh Ghana, NDC, MPP, NDC, MPP, politics say ya. We are Ghana ni we da wa Facebook page a share na ma wunia ensum hwe anopai. Why I'm sorry anopa. Everybody emma me one reason why Kofi Asante sorry metra ha na me singing the praise of any government ewo my Ghana mu. Obi me kan che me die ntia me mebo aban bi aba so ewo niam a esi we sei asoman ba I must not be worried. Na me metra nka se aban bi ayade waja blog we e dia to was starting over 100 hospitals ena yamonsem enfama. And this is what we have
FM
in this country.
87.9
A job blog we wo ho aban bia ba ye na ya start here yeah no government and a WhatsApp paper ni said there be memra na me so memra mewie hwe see akronfo apart from akronfo egum apart from nipa ede ho ewia ne mani bi ya ye bibia wi o God atiefo just 1 minute we dey ebia wunya wi. This is Tafo Maternity block. 21 years
Akuma FM
we are still counting.
Kumasi
Afei Famiwura hospital na esiwa na ya abandon na the current hospital amanfo eyusu the left side hospital na ohi. Last 2 years any baba here People's Forum e wo krom ha ye gina hospital ho ena nipa da sani owuye e wo taxi.
Ante. Allah.
Oh, na omu no son mu no mo fa no kwe.
Ante bani no na zo we ante. Ante
Ante na gawa yo, ante we hinda ya we, ante ni babi anya me ya, ante kasame wo.
Now, she hospital we si ho 21 years yenye brabehwe Tafo the current state of the hospital and nay man for AJ
87.9 Kumasi
Absiafo hwe obey nipa ewu taxi. This is it live ye gina ho ye nim ho sei na nipa the taxi by ye nya ba bi amfana nto anywhere. This is the only hospital a man member at the one block at the one ward. Abusanfo we ye do omo de share by ye nya bed ma wo mo anim ho a car nim ye kwa ba ye any this is the taxi. This is it. Atefo mo here. Kofi Asante intro. Mo here. This is it. On Akuma 87.9 FM. Live. We are Ghana and tell me why you should smile. Obaya you didn't to stretch so you are kwa inside. This any live. Any and this is the woman. Oh, say the same woman you said whitey no osu. Okoye ne yenya baby amano. Any this is the woman. Afemonhwe in the next 2-3 minutes bon so ma ba bonten esu. Obi nkan kire me. Ede abone ene ye nyina ya ye e wo kurum.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Na sebe ye wo man na political leaders are not thinking. Afei akoja man fa yewura inside. Na yen hwen e ma ne mema at that one ward at this facility. Now you want 21-year-old hospital is in China. Kenya penibia enie. Atiefo mo ye. Amena ye de ba be wura ho no. This is it. I know ba be wu no. To right yard ho any. Oh Jesus Christ. I see a plan. We entered the ward and they couldn't get anywhere for her. Any into reception hall. Any reception hall. Any and watch this. This woman oba live or any who or babe who says yeah just the children of her. That is it. Here and near ma nurses na sabi obi akọ nursing college. Now we na de na ba beto ha. Say onye adwuma akoma ne be pebei e no betim de aye adwuma e de aboa nimdie ne ade any this is the woman owo ni this is it. This is it. 87.9 any ade na to form a form oni oba na da form ha no. This is live on Akuma 87.9 FM. Somebody must tell me why I must be happy in this country. Somebody obi mra me kan kire me wa ha.
Akuma
any afa oba ma me na ewu no ne ma ne esuo no hwe nurse ni kwa wugina ho no the lady is sorry say John this is it on that from where wu no life any you didn't come back. No, I just want you to follow the scene. Just follow it and ask yourself say why must you be happy as a country? Tafo emergency ward in you. Tafo emergency ward any hwema oba ba ko na da form ha be man so na da soro ha no akwala ba ko na da ha no. Oh my God, what a pity, what a pity.
FM 87.9
what a pity as a country and kwala ne mpani mofra wo nyina gu yod he be manie. Lift up your eyes na hwe e form ho 65 years after independence. Care stretches, hospital beds. Look at it. Akwene fabra. Na yetiani e ka kire yam politicians say they are wicked, brute. Na wabisa say enti oman na yesom no.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
Ede na ekoso. Na ede na eko na odwen ho na ukọ Bible mu a Paul eken bibi e wo Titus chapter 1 the verse number 12. Titus chapter 1 the verse number 12. I want to read there. Na tie na oh enema bebre oh mega na mu a everybody should give me one reason.
87.9 Kumasi.
Kofi Asante mna metna ha na mmebo politicians abaso. Titus chapter 1, verse number 12. Or say, John, can you know, Mammy, so be Titus. Or say, the Christians. Oh, me service no a delay. Titus 1:12. Or say they are liars, evil, beast, slow bellies. Titus 1:12.
Akuma FM 87.9 Kumasi.
See, o may be a yam penny for no nwe o man ho no. Ah he ya o. Ya sori o da kro o man mu a. So John we be. O say kind of fight.
112.
Yes, 1:12.
I say we mu bi o ye won ara won D4 can say. Cretafoɔ yɛ atorofoɔ.
Cretafoɔ ne yɛ atorofoɔ.
Mmoa bɔne.
Wɔn yɛ mmoa bɔne.
Akwadwofoɔ.
Wɔn akwadwofoɔ adidifo.
87.
Paul na yɛ ka kyerɛ wɔn sɛ ɛwɔ ayi Titus.
Yeah.
Sɛ asɔre na mede wato mu no wɔn adifoɔ no nsɛm a yɛka fa suban a ɛda wɔn mu ni wɔn atorofoɔ wɔn amabɔyɛfoɔ wɔn abayifoɔ. Womafu, they are bellies. Womafu and womajehu. They don't think about the people. And this is how our politicians are in this country. Stomach politics.